Hello friends, welcome to the video series on time and distance. This is the second video in the series. If you haven't watched the first video, I would request you to go back to the first video before continuing. In this video, I would be explaining the concept of relative speed and how it is used to solve the problems on boats and streams. So let's get started. What is relative speed? Relative speed is nothing but the speed of a moving body relative to another moving or a stationary body at a given point of time. We have two cases here, that is, when the two bodies are moving along the same direction or when the two bodies are moving in the opposite direction. Let's consider both the cases separately. In case 1, let us consider two bodies A and B moving along the same direction with speeds v1 and v2 respectively. In this case, the relative speed between the two bodies would be given by v1 minus v2. Now let us look at the other case where the two bodies are moving in opposite directions. In this case, the relative speed between the two bodies would be equal to sum of the individual speeds. This sums up relative speeds. Now let me explain how this concept can be used to solve problems on boats and streams. Boats and streams are widely asked in most of the entrance exams and placement papers. The advantage for a student is that any problem related to boats and streams can be solved using just the two concepts that I'll be explaining in this video. So let us begin. Here also two cases arises. So before we analyze both the cases, let us fix two parameters. Let us assume that the boat speed in still water is b and the speed of the stream is s. Now let us check out the cases. In case 1, consider a boat moving in a river as shown in the figure. We can see that the direction of motion of both the stream as well as the boat is the same. Let the boat be moving at a speed b in still water and the river be flowing along the direction of the boat with a speed s. In this case, we can say that the effective speed of the boat is equal to the speed of the boat plus the speed of the stream. In case 2, let us assume that the river is flowing in the opposite direction to that of the boat. In this case, the relative speed of the boat is calculated by b minus s. The minus sign comes because we can see that the boat is moving against the current. Let us consider a case where the speed of the boat is given in both the cases, that is both upstream as well as downstream. If the speed of the boat against the stream is given as y and the speed of the boat along the stream is given as x, then we can calculate the speed of the boat in still water using the formula x plus y by 2 and the speed of the stream using the formula x minus y by 2. The various problem types that can be asked under this topics include problems related to boats and streams, the case when a swimmer is swimming along or against the current, a cyclist pedaling against or along the wind. However, the approach to solve all these problems remains the same. I guess the approach to tackle the problems on boats and streams is clear. This video ends here. To learn the concept of races and circular tracks, refer to my next video. If you understood the concepts and liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.